Hey there guys, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you the step-by-step process to learn and get into machine learning. So this video is for people who are just starting out in machine learning, have no idea about it, and are actually beginning to learn about the concepts and are interested into getting into machine learning. So this video is going to be strictly about very concepts. It's going to have 5 steps for you guys, practical steps, and the links are all in the description below. But in order to follow these links, you're going to have to watch through the process and how it's actually going to play out. Okay, so here it is. If you want to learn more about the intermediate and advanced ways to learn machine learning, or the hard ways, I would suggest you go to check the 2 videos on the links in the description below, part 2 and part 3. These actually provide you the full entire curriculum and how to learn these step by step. Remember that all these resources are free. This way to learn about these resources are the best of all. Okay, the first step is learn Python. I talked about learning Python and why you should learn Python in another video of mine. If you click here, you get that. And this Python video is going to have all the resources which you need to learn about Python, so no more talking about that. 1, that's done. Next, learn the basics of frameworks in Python like pandas, like numplot, like ggplot, and etc. They're used for data analysis. Why we should learn data analysis before going to machine learning is not due to the fact that machine learning is going to use that much data, even though it does. But it actually gets you comfortable with Python, and it actually gets you confident in your abilities to generate data and actually manipulate data. And that's really important for machine learning. And that's number 2 in the list. Number 3, once you're done with these, start by doing your own project. So I have also included a project, which a tutorial in this case, a small, quick email classification one. It's really good. I did it as one of my first projects, and I was highly impressed how we can classify emails as spam and not spam. It was really fun. So if you guys want to check that out, that's number 3 in the list. By doing your first project, now you have a basic understanding of your skills. You got Python, you got a hands-on project which you can show to other people. It's great. What do you do next? Number 4. You start off by doing a highly powerful advanced machine learning tutorial that is not that advanced. It's going to be quite easy for you guys if you follow these 3 steps. But if you jump into the advanced one, let me tell you one thing, they're not going to last well. I mean, even though people do okay, they're not going to remember the facts, it's not going to be lasting, and I've seen bad results. So you go for the 4th step. The 4 steps, all these steps are in the links in the description below, so go and check those out if you have any question at all. The 5th step, and the most important step of all, is doing the final project. So the final project can be classified by the following ways. You can do a project on neural networks. A neural network is basically something which actually connects you to different sort of vectors and different sort of objects. But I'll go into that into more detail in another video. Now, you can do that, or you can do a project on some classification or model. You can do an optimization project. You can do linear regression projects. There's so many different projects there. And I got about 5 aligned for you guys. So if you want, you can do all of them step by step, or you can do any one, or if you think that 2 are enough for me, I can do 2 and I'm good to go. Your choice, your call. But anyway, try to do at least 1 project out of the final project to get your knowledge with the hands-on approach. So now you have all 5 steps. And I would say that once you do all 5 of these steps perfectly, you're good to go. You're basically better than, let me say, 99% of the population in terms of machine learning. And you're quite well versed. You can construct your own models, you can do your own analysis, you can do your own classification, you can build your own, you can gather your data, clean it, manipulate it, and do all those in between. So anyway guys, I put all of these steps in a step-by-step process in a post in the link in the description below. Go and check that out if you want to learn more. And by far, there are many ways to learn machine learning. This is just one of the best ways. And this is the way which I personally actually worked out and tried by myself. And it really worked well for me. I did a lot of courses, and I found it confusing, sometimes unorganized, but I found doing this in this step-by-step process was more than excellent. So you should check that out, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I highly recommend that you do, especially if you're a person who wants to work at the big companies such as Google, Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, etc. So because these companies look for the best of the best, and my goal in this channel is to make you the best of the best. And by bringing you the awareness and information that you need, of course. Anything which needs to be done is ultimately done by you in terms of action. So Anyway guys, thanks for watching the video, and if you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments below. I'll get back.